Okay, so in this video we'll talk about circle theorem. So I will simply explain, maybe I will be able to explain 3 of the rules. We have 6 rules in total. These rules will help us to find missing angles of shapes within a circle. So I will go through 3 rules maybe in the beginning, or 2 rules, it depends on the time. And then I will explain the others in the next video. So the first rule says that if you have a circle, okay, and there's an angle here, let's call it A, B, C. We say this angle ABC or angle B is subtended by the arc AC. It's like if it's standing on the arc AC. So this is the arc AC, and this angle is subtended by this arc. Okay? So the rule says if there is any other angle subtended by the same arc, it should be exactly the same. So simply, if I do this, and then call this D, so angle ADC is subtended also by the same arc, AC. Since this angle and this angle are subtended by the same arc, then they should be equal. So if this is, say, 30, this should be 30. So they both subtended by the same arc. Okay? And the other one, if you look at, let me just leave another marker. That's one marker. Oh, it's getting black. So that's fine. If you look at this angle, BCD, this angle, it's subtended by the arc DB, right? And look at this angle, DAB is subtended by the same arc. So also, these 2 angles are the same. So if this is probably 70, this will be 70. Okay? You can tell that this is the rule I need to apply if the shape looks like a bow tie. Okay? It's not a rule, but it looks like it's a bow tie thing here. With the corners all at the circumference. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2 is if you have a circle like that, and then there is a diameter. This is the diameter AB. The rule says any angle subtended by the diameter is 90. So if I draw any angle here, and then it's subtended by the diameter, this angle should be 90. Okay? In some questions they say, state the reason. You just should say that this angle is subtended by a diameter. So if you draw any other angle from anywhere on this diameter, so this will be also 90. If you draw from here, it's 90. So any angle subtended by the diameter is 90. Rule number 3 is if you have a circle, this circle is not nice. Let's do another one. That's a little bit better. So the rule number 3 is if this is the center and this is an angle, and this angle obviously is subtended by, let's call it O. This angle, AOB, is subtended by the arc AB, and the rule says if there is any other angle subtended by the same arc, the angle at the center is always double the angle at the circumference. Okay? Always. The angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. Or you can say the angle at the circumference is half of the angle at the center. So simply, if this is 80, this will be 40. And this is the case for any other angle. So basically, if I draw it here, this angle is also 40. Because it's at the circumference and subtended by the same arc as the one at the center. So this is 40, this is the 40. Okay? These are the first three rules, and in my next video, I will explain the remaining three rules. Thank you.